tree. There's like turkeys and they're everywhere. You see these turkeys? They're everywhere. How are you?
Good.
What are you doing today?
I'm dragging a sled.
We are currently in a Christmas tree farm over there. Hello guys, good afternoon. This is Gigi and currently right now I am in the Christmas tree farm. If you could see behind me, those are the trees. And I'm right now with my two dogs and my husband. We're trying to pick or cut a Christmas tree for Christmas for us. I hope you could be able to hear me. I don't have anybody to hear. There's a lot of people in here and it's a huge, like hectares and hectares or acres of acres of Christmas tree farm. Trying to pick the best tree that we could have. Yeah, like this one. Look at the tree. We're still looking for the three guys. Yeah.
You gotta go around it, make sure it looks good. It's a little, it's not proportioned very well.
It's not. So we've been into this farm before. That was last year. It's actually snowing. There's a snowstorm that time, so we didn't really venture out the area. That was like early December. This year we're trying to do it as early as possible since we're gonna be out. Sorry I have a mask because you need a mask to like roam around this area. There's a lot of people. We went here last year and it's snowy, like snowy. It's like you could really feel it. But this time we have it early November. We have to cut our trees early November since we want to make sure that for Christmas we have to take it down since we're just gonna go on a trip. Last year was definitely fun. It's much more exciting. This year it's nice weather. You see I don't have a hat on me since it's really nice. It's sunny and I kind of like it. Yeah. Everyone comes with a tag here and this is Fraser.
Want to get in? Come on.
And look at them right there. Yep. It's the guy there.
I think this is a good one, actually.
You think? What do you think, guys?
I don't know.
This is a good one?
It's actually shaped really well.
Kilatisin natin ng ano,
Want to
konti.
inspect it, babes? I don't see a tag on it, though.
Yeah, this might not be for sale because there's no tag. What do you call the cones in there already? Pine cones. Wow. Actually very nice.
Go back. These are all kind of tall.
See? We're looking for our trees in here. Very nice spot. We are dragging our dogs over there. Yeah, we have to find a perfect Christmas trees and it's like everywhere. What are you doing? Yeah, so we're just lunging in here in between these Christmas trees. Look at that. These are one of the trees. Look at that. Yeah. And then look at my dog. Bobby's tired. Are you tired? Are you tired, baby boy? He's tired. He's eating this. Look at the stuff in there. Look at it. He's eating it. This dog is crazy. Different. Alright, Bobby? Where's Daddy? Let's go. Look at my dog. Coco. Come here, Coco. Come here. What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
The map.
The map.
There. Alright, hold on.
The map is right there. Bobby!
So we're right here.
That's my dog
We're
there.
right here,
Pretty dog. Hi, Bobby! Bobby, you want treat? Basta treat, guys, pag-usapan. Titingin talaga yan sa'yo. There's Flipper. It's a very cute dog. But very spoiled. Coco, up!
These are cannons right here. You want to look at these really quick?
Baby girl is here.
You want to look at the cannons really quick? Since there's nobody in this field.
That's my two dogs there.
Let's go, guys. Come on. Come on, come on. We gotta go look at them.
Yeah, this is a type of Christmas tree. Yep. cannon. Yeah, see there. Okay, so we've been checking treats right now. I'm gonna show you. So this is it's a balsam. I have to check stuff in here. Looky. Looks actually the same.
Look at our beautiful tree! Oh my gosh, take a photo of you.
Yeah. Looks the same. I don't know what's the difference. My dogs are bad. Same.
Oh, you want to go down here then and look at the cannon?
Actually, I don't know if I get this one cannon. Ah. But my dog's there. It's the baddest. Coco, come here first. Come here. It's actually over there looking for trees. Look at that. There's trees over there. So, let's see. Those trees, yeah.
Go, mommy.
Water, water, water.
Give me some.
Sit down here. Quick. It's very fun here. I like it here. Have to wait, Coco. Have to wait.
Which one am I cutting?
Just
This
right
one?
Here. Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. So guys, we finally found our Christmas tree. Is right here on the back here. That's gonna be our Christmas tree. And Jamie's gonna cut it. I'll show you how he cuts it. One moment. Yeah. There, our dogs are everywhere. Look at him. Look at him over there. Yeah. You have to dig in there, James. Dig in there. Yeah. Look at that. What was doing? So he has to cut it that way.
Can't go back and forth yet.
So the last time we went here, it's snowy, so it's actually very different.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah, so look at that. Hey! Flipper, come here. I'm just gonna cut that. Yes. He's right there. And my dogs are right here. Adventure. Dad.
Stop.
Give me the other one, the other side. We'll pull it up and down.
I'm getting it.
You're getting it?
Yeah. There we go.
Good job, James. Come on. He's gonna be our tree this time. Right, Bobby? And our tree. Oi! We have not taken a picture yet. You wanna take a picture
What?
of us?
What do you mean? Sure.
It might fall, so this is gonna be what I'll be doing. Right, Bobby?
It's coming. Babes, hold it. Babes, are you holding it?
Yes, I am holding it.
Okay, good.
I have to hold it now, guys. Since it's almost falling. See? You see? It's falling, Bobby. It's falling. Look, 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 look. Oh. Just kidding. It's falling. It's not that heavy actually, but it smells so good. Yeah. Look at this, guys. This is our tree now. We have to bring it home. Good?
Yeah, I'm tired. Other way. Other way, other way. Spin it. Okay.
So, hello guys. Nakita nyo na aming tree. Ayan nyo siya. Nakababa na siya. Yan yung ating asawa. Ayan nyo. I think this is the best part of
Watch out.
having a Christmas tree. So you cut it yourself.
Watch out. Move.
So I really like it. No, you don't need to do it. They could do it themselves. Yeah, tingnan natin yung ating Christmas tree right now. Kasi tingnan mo siya, guys. Busy yung asawa ko. Last time kasi mas memorable kasi nag-snowstorm, nag-snow. This time, early tayo. So, it's not gonna be snowing. But then I will like show you. I'll show you guys. Our tree. Ang aso namin, oh. Ayan. Laki ng ating tree. You like it? Yay! That's huge. Trio na meron na kami dito. Isa lang makailangan namin. Doon pa siya. Tingnan mo. Tingin pa siya. Tingnan mo yan. You too. Guys, ayan siya, guys. Look at our tree now. Anong aso ko? Doon na. Ayan si James. Yan yung mga aso ko. Tingnan guys yung aming tree. Look at my husband there. Yeah. That's our tree now. There's my husband in there. Yeah, see? Thumbs up for him. My tree's here. Yeah. Yeah, look at him. Kasi doon si James, oh. Tingnan mo yan. Malayo kasi ito isa, oh. Diyos ko. Hinay mag-gama. Right over there, anything. Usually we go inside here, but since it's pandemic, so we can't be able to go inside. Let's see. There's like a little thing in there. There's our thing in here. We need to put it right here. Okay, go. But you need a... Huh?
Should have cut this one off too.
Doesn't matter.
You cut it when you get home. Can you lift it from the side?
Actually, this is smaller than the other one.
You gotta push it forward more. Okay. Make sure it's centered on the car, no? Hey, it's not centered.
I know, let me just push it here.
Can you just steady this and I'll pull this?
Pull it with it.
You gotta push it. Well, it's good on that side. Let me see now. Is it on the towel?
Yeah.
Completely on the towel, huh? Wow. Is it? Oh. There's more room over here.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
How do you...
Pull in the front. You want to do it through the front window?
Hindi na ako kasi itatay na namin ito. Hindi na ako makakalabas. May mga aso ko nandyan na sa loob. So stay there. Hello guys. Hello. Ay, ano yung ano ko yung camera ko ba? Hello. Hello guys, magsisay goodbye na kami kasi alam niyo, tingnan niyo, may papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan niyo. Nakatali kami lahat sa loob yung strings na yan. Natatali yan sa Christmas tree sa loob. Yan, may tree yan sa, sa taas. Oh. Yun yung tree namin sa taas. Tapos yun yung mga tali. Oh. Yung mga tali dito sa akin. Oh. So, we're just gonna have to say goodbye. Uwi na po kami. And we'll have to see you in our Christmas tree decoration. So, thank you so much guys for watching. We'll see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye. Say goodbye. Bye. Bye guys. Bye-bye.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes,